Hello all. In last video we learned how we can create a log router using the destination as a pub/sub topic. So we routed our logs to the pub/sub topic. Now we want to create a log router or a log sync with a destination as a BigQuery table. So sometimes when you are working in an organization, it is easier to analyze the logs if the logs are stored in particular table. So let's see how we can create a log sync and route our logs to the BigQuery table. So I'll go to logging first. Okay, so here we have a logs currently loading. So we have a bunch of logs here. So I'll go to logs router. Okay, and here we have to create a sync. So first of all, I'll just create a data set in my BigQuery to route our logs. So I'll just create a data set with name log underscore sync. I'll select the data set as a default US and I'll create the data set. Okay, the log sync data set is created. Now I'll create a sync, and the sync name I give as a BQ export destination service. I'll select as a BigQuery dataset and I'll select the dataset as a log sync, and I'll just create a sync. Okay, so here we could see currently here no table is available. So let's wait for some times. Okay, so our log sync is created. We'll wait for some time to see if logs are loading in a BigQuery. So here there are no tables in our dataset. Let refresh it. Yeah, here you go. You could see the table is created called a cloud audit Google APIs com activities. So just click on see, and if the logs are available here, I'll just click on preview, and you could see all the logs are available in BigQuery tables now. So in this way we can create our log sync or route our logs in a BigQuery table. Thank you for watching the video.